Migepe manyien onyisi mondo oneni otiyo ne jokenya apise magimako. Jotend piny William RUTO osingo sirogi tijegi mana kaluwore kod chik, kokwayogi mondo gineni gikwako kata ginywako piny Kenya gi jokenya duto chenro magitimo.
The reconstituted cabinet, therefore, will accelerate the attainment and will build on this solid foundation already built over the last 2 years. But additionally, will focus on the following critical areas. The first of these areas covers accountability and the fight against corruption. To enhance accountability and promote responsibility for the use of public resources, we shall introduce measures to levy a surcharge against any accounting officer or other public officer who has, by their action or omission, occasioned loss of public resources in accordance with Article 226(5), 201(d), and 232(b) of the Constitution. To eliminate the ghost worker payroll fraud at all levels of government, we shall also implement a unified personal identification system for all persons working across all arms of government,